Hey everybody, this is Andy with Fat Man's Garage. We have a 1964 Galaxie project here. Good solid body. Either be a good project put back together or to rebody one that has been, eaten up with rust. As you can see, floorboards are all really good. Front pans, quarters. Very solid car. Trunk is good. There's the other side. Yep, that'll come with some extra parts as well. Not sure if everything is in here to put it together, but I've got doors, I've got the under dash heater boxes, some other parts there. There's a trunk, a deck lid. Don't have fenders, but we do have a grill. So let me know if you have any questions, any interest in either as a project or as a body. Thanks.